flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one.
Morning, you guys. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing a little clean with me. My room is extremely dirty, so yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning my room, putting up a lot of things. So yeah, just let me give you guys an overview of how my room looks so you'll get the idea of why it needs to be cleaned. Okay, so I have like containers with storage things there. I have like this bookshelf, but you'll see what I'm gonna do with that. I have a bunch of Bath and Body Works products. So yeah, there's things on the dresser here. That dresser. We have dirty clothes on the floor. Don't even know what all of this is. There's things on the bed. Yeah, shoes. Having my daily cup of coffee. There's things here. I'm actually gonna take that down. I don't know if I'm gonna take it today. And that mirror is coming down as well. And then I have a mirror that I'm gonna put on the back of this window right here. At this door. It's that mirror right there. But I think I'm gonna put it up here on the door, so we'll see. So yeah, let's get started with this mess of a room.
East Coast, always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city, yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me, yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support, just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, babe.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and
I got my own rights.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
It's hard to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, babe.
I get you out, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow.
so I'm gonna go ahead and make my bed up. These pillows are old. We just moved out. This is my grandparents' house, but those pillows are old, like the long pillows. So don't be trying to roast me because half of the pillow is out of the pillowcase. So I'm gonna get some new sheets for this bed and some new pillowcases. I bought one pillow. I bought this from Walmart the other day. I just gotta put a pillowcase over it. And then Princeton has a pillow, an allergy like pillow. So yeah, but once I get everything situated, I'm gonna redecorate this room anyway. So yeah, let's just make my bed up.
It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night. Telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies.
I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
Okay guys, so I'm done with my room. It felt like it took forever, although I know it didn't take forever because yeah, it took a little bit, but you guys won't see that in this video. But yeah, I still have some work to do, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now. Okay, so here's an overview of my room. This mirror is going to come down like I said before. That bag there is going to go back to Target. For the most part, this is set. I do have to take some stuff out of there. Those books I'm gonna go through when I get back. That stuff is my lip gloss supply stuff. So yeah, that's a bag of trash there. I have more of my lip gloss supply stuff there. I'm gonna go through this duffel bag and this later sometime today. That's my table that I use. These decorations are gonna come out of here. I'm gonna put new ones up. So I will make a separate video when I do decide to redecorate this room. We're about to head out for the day. Those are Princeton's clothes. Those are my clothes. I have a package there that I need to open. And then I have my little pillows. I'm going to get more pillows. That's Princeton's Paw Patrol. I have my tablet going with today's date today's Saturday, and then the time. And then this dresser here, I just have this little felt board, and I put make today count, because we're just trying to be positive. So yeah, all of this stuff on the wall is going to come out. And then I have my perfume here, but I'm going to go to the dollar store somewhere to get like a clear like container to put my things in. And then I have my mirror. I'm going to put that on the door when I come back, and then take all of that off. All of this stuff is going to be gone. So yeah, this is basically it. I have a mirror behind my TV there. That's coming down. All that stuff is coming down. So, and I have a table I'm going to put right here, and I'm going to put my little fridge thing there. It holds up to 6 cans or whatever you want to put in there. I'm going to put it on the table. Just have my humidifier. I'll hook that up when I come back. So yeah, this is the overview. Turn the lights off. So it looks much better than it did earlier, but yeah, it could be better. My table is going to stay. That's going to stay there. I'm going to go through all of that. I'm gonna get like a new comforter set, but for right now this will do. There we go, because it was junky in here. So that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.